Yes, my dear, very good day to all of you. Now, I am going to begin the remaining portion of the last lesson, that is written by Alphonse Dark. Here, there is page number 7, last paragraph. Whenever I look the from here we are going to start, we are going to begin. As here we see little French along with other classmates are very much busy in studying. We have seen in our previous paragraphs that the book which was very nuisance to him, the teacher who was very cranky to him, now became the object of love, and deep interest and love roused in little French for the books and for the teacher. When his teacher made him ask some question of participle, he was surprised and was unable to respond at that moment. He hadn't even dared to look into the eye of the teacher or towards the teacher. He was struggled at the very first word of participle or the rule. He could not respond, he could not answer. At the same way, he was standing still, holding his desk, bending his head down. Now, seeing such condition, M. Hamel was feeling very sorry, and he reproached, he blamed for the people, and he blamed to himself too for not giving much attention over children's education. If they give proper time, proper care to educate the children would have got enough power to command over the language. But it was not so. Therefore, he has reproached, he has blamed to the people. As he said that it is not your fault, it is the fault of your parents, those who force you to go to the farms or the mills to earn money in order to help the family. On the other hand, as I am concerned, I also used you to water my garden, and whenever I liked go for fishing, I declared holiday. Because of these two reasons, I find you here as a weak construction. And then after he started the lessons, he has given the copy to the students as he was just teaching all these things. Little French was learning very keenly, very interestingly all the things. And he was getting all things. He was understanding all things. Why? That since when he started love for the subject, love for the teacher, now that create an atmosphere to understand all these things. That this drastic change we see in little French, in the personality of little French. That is also inspiring lesson to us. It is an example to us that whenever really in our life, if we are finding ourselves weak construction in any subject, then we should do something else to find the interest for the subject, to find the interest for the career, to find the interest for our own life. We should take care of it, and then if we think all these, we will surely develop. But here, that is the other thing, as here is a patriotic feeling, देशभक्ति का मामला. Now little French has been getting a book contains France Alsace, France Alsace, and these words France Alsace, France Alsace has been seemed to little French that it is a flag that has been unfurling on each desk hanging into the rod. Each child of the classroom was very much busy along with the teacher. No one was disturbed anyhow. Even a beetle, a fly, an insect entered into the classroom. Even the littlest one, means the little French, was not disturbed a bit. He finds himself and other students as well as the parents were very much busy in their writing. It means everyone was deeply devoted for all these. And in the same way, when he was thinking about on the top of the roof, the pigeons were cooing. Chirping, that is. Pigeons बोल रहे थे, cooing. Now, listening the cooing of the pigeon, French thought, an idea came in the mind of French that whether German force us to speak German language? Will they command over our spirit and heart? Means, will they force the pigeon to coo in German language? क्या जर्मन वाले इतना अत्याचार करेंगे कि प्रकृति भी जर्मन लैंग्वेज का प्रयोग करने लगेगी? Will they get command over our heart and mind? Will they get command over our spirit? क्या मेरी आत्माओं पर वो गवर्न कर लेंगे? Never, it cannot be. हो सकता है वो सब ऐसा करने की कोशिश करें, लेकिन हम नहीं ऐसा करेंगे, हम नहीं ऐसा महसूस करेंगे. यहां से बोर्ड में क्वेश्चन आता है. हालांकि अभी मैं जैसे ही फिनिश होता है ये बताऊंगा कि बोर्ड में कहां कहां से क्वेश्चन इसमें आते हैं जो बड़े ही इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं. चलिए फिर देखते हैं कहां से अब चलना है. Whenever I looked up my writing I saw. अब देखिए सारी चीजें वो बता चुका, पिजन्स के बारे में भी बता दिया कि ऐसी चीजें हैं. Whenever I looked up from my writing I saw M. Hamel sitting motionless. How was he sitting? Motionless. He was not moving here or there. Motionless. There was no motion found in his body, in his gesture. Motionless. In his chair. In his chair. He was sitting in his chair. And gazing first at one thing, then at another. He was gazing each and every items that had been fixed up or pasted or stick up into the classroom. And each classroom has been decorated with different kinds of posters, different kinds of cuttings, different kinds of decorations, and many more things. Little French has observed or noticed his teacher, who was sitting motionless in the chair, was gazing one after another thing. One poster, then after another thing, then after another thing. Continuously he was just gazing or watching and staring all these things, whatever decoration was there in the classroom. Now, as if he wanted to fix in his mind just how everything looked in that little schoolroom. In which manner was Hamel noticing all these things? As if, जैसे कि वो चाहते to keep all these things into his mind in the form of memory. He wants to make the memory. He has been looking the things in such a way as if he wants to keep all these things into his memory. Fancy. Of course, it is natural. Yes, of course, it is natural. Fancy. For 40 years he had been there in the same place. So this is natural. Why? Because he was living there for 40 years. So it is what natural to him. Yeah. With his garden outside the window and his class in front of him. Everything. Just like that. Everything is very close to him. Therefore, he no doubt have love for all these things. जो व्यक्ति 40 सालों से यहाँ रह रहा है वो प्राकृतिक रूप से सही है, नेचुरल है कि वो चीजों से मोहब्बत रखता है, प्रेम रखता है। ठीक उसी तरीके से जैसे कि उनका बाहर का गार्डन है, उनका घर है और भी चीजें हैं और लोग भी हैं और सब्जेक्ट भी है जो 40 साल से लगातार पढ़ा है। ओनली द, अब आगे बोला, ओनली द डेस्क्स एंड बेंचेज, these are the desks and benches on which the students sit to attend the class, had been worn smooth, has been worn smooth. Okay. Now, has been worn smooth because of sitting. Because of sitting. As you are habitual to sit on the desk and bench in your classrooms, and if you get a feel of the desk and bench by your fingers, you will find it smooth. There is no rough surface. The surface of the benches and desks will be smooth because of frequent rubbing of the backs and the sitting. Sitting and rubbing. Now, the worn is smooth. It has become smooth. चिकना हो गया है. The walnut tree in the garden were taller, and the hope vine that he had planted himself twined about the windows to the roof. Hope vine is a kind of creeper, as you plant money plant, as the plant of some vegetables. Now these are the creepers. Walnut, that is a larger tree having a thick stem, whereas hope vine that he had planted at the window now have twined up, just twisted, in a twisted manner it has grown. होप वाइन जो है, जैसे कोई भी क्रीपर वाला होता है, लता वाली पेड़ होती है, सब्जी वाली होती है, या फिर फूल होता है, या फिर मनी प्लांट आप देख लें, तो जैसे ही दीवार पकड़ेगी वहां से उसकी जड़ निकलनी शुरू हो जाएगी और वो चिपक जाएगी दीवार पे. ठीक है, तो क्या है, वो लपेटे हुए है, तो ट्वाइंड है, TWINED, जस्ट एज ट्विस्टेड. हाउ इट मस्ट हैव ब्रोकन हिज हार्ट to leave it all, poor man. Yes, of course, to leave all this in a sudden manner no doubt will break his heart. उनका दिल दुखा देगा, दिल तोड़ देगा. To hear his sister, on the other hand, that he has been listening his sister who was moving about in the room above. ठीक है, someone has been living, that is his sister, who was living on the top roof, and she, the sound of her feet was coming to the classroom as she was packing the trunks, boxes. As she was packing, why? Because she was preparing. They both have to leave the place immediately, because this is the last day. They will leave this place and they will go to their house, in which district they belonged to. They have to go there, because there is no French subject to be taught to the students, because tomorrow the new teacher comes and he will teach German language. It is the order that has come from Berlin after the annexation of Alsace-Lorraine. Now, packing their trunks, for they must leave the country next day. Why was she packing? Why was she packing? Because she has to leave the country, this country. Why? Because this Alsace-Lorraine came in the part of Germany or Prussia. Therefore, it has been counted as other country. Now, but he had the courage to hear every lesson to the very last. But he has a patience. He was very seriously listening the response of the students. Also, he was listening the sound that was coming from the roof made by his sister. He was not a bit moved at it. He was listening all the students' response. After the writing, he had a lesson in history. Yes, of course. After that, he started history chapters. And then the baby chanted, spoken, recited. Chant करना, बोलना, क्या? There ba baby bobu, that is the rules and the dates, important events, all these. Down there at the back of the room, down there, it is, जैसे इसको एक इंग्लिश में जैसे ट्रेनें आती हैं अप एंड डाउन, ट्रेन आती है अप एंड डाउन। गोरखपुर रेलवे स्टेशन से अगर कोई ट्रेन बन करके जीकेपी से अगर लखनऊ जाती है तो मान लीजिए कि आपका कोई भी एक्सप्रेस है, मान लीजिए जीपी एक्सप्रेस, आपने इसका नाम लिखा जीपी। अब जीपी एक्सप्रेस का कोई एक नंबर होगा ट्रेन का, मान लीजिए 3425 है, इस तरह से इसका नंबर है। अब ये गाड़ी यहीं से बन करके लखनऊ जाती है और लखनऊ से गोरखपुर आती है, ठीक। अब इसका नंबर होगा 3425 जाने वाला और 3426 आने वाला होगा। यही गाड़ी है, अगर दिन में एक बार जाती है और एक बार आती है तो एक गाड़ी होगी, और अगर दिन में 2 बार टाइम होता है तो 2 गाड़ियाँ होंगी। डिस्टेंस का बॉम्बे से गोरखपुर जो गाड़ी चलती है, तो एक गाड़ी अगर बॉम्बे से चलती है तो गोरखपुर आती है दूसरे दिन, तीसरे दिन आती है। वो एक गाड़ी आती है, एक गाड़ी यहाँ से निकलती है, एक गाड़ी बीच में रहती है, एक गाड़ी इसके बीच में रहती है, यानी पर डे गाड़ी पहुँचती है ना बम्बई। पर डे गाड़ी बम्बई से गोरखपुर आती है ना, तो कम से कम इन दोनों के दौरान 4 गाड़ी होगी। जैसे जब आप लोकेशन लेते होंगे मोबाइल में कि ये ट्रेन कहाँ तक गई है, ऐसे में जब आप चेक करते होंगे तो पूछता होगा कि किस दिन वो चली थी, आज चली है कि कल चली थी कि परसों चली थी, ये डेट बताइए, तब उसका लोकेशन बताती है। जब आप डेट डालते हैं तो लोकेशन बताती है, तो मतलब इस तरह की चीज़ें होती हैं। तो ये अप है ये नहीं कि ऊपर चढ़ाई कर रही है, और ये डाउन हिलिंग नीचे आ रही है। तो डाउन इन द क्लास, इन द बैक ऑफ द क्लास, डाउन इन द क्लास मीन्स एट द बैक, एट द बैक ऑफ द क्लास। ठीक है, तो कौन बैठा? एट द बैक ऑफ द क्लास हाउसर हैड पुट ऑन हिज स्पेक्टेकल। अब हाउसर जो है पुट ऑन द स्पेक्टेकल एंड होल्डिंग हिज प्राइमर एलिमेंट्री बुक इन बोथ हैंड्स, दोनों हाथ में पकड़ लिए, बोथ हैंड्स, spelled the letter with them, spelled them. He has been pronouncing, spelled, giving the spelling. If you are asked a question, spell the word beautiful, then what will be the answer? You have to tell the spelling of the word beautiful. beautiful. That's beautiful. Spell the word approach. Now the response will be approach. Spell the word का मतलब कि उसका स्पेलिंग बताओ। तो he spelled, he was reading, spell, he was reading, spelled the letters with them, he was spelling the letters one by one, he was just giving the spelling. You could see, yes, here French has at last moment mentioned the little humorous episode. कुछ हंसी मजाक वाली चीजें यहाँ फ्रेंच ने नोटिस किया। क्या? You could see that he too was crying. अब आप ये देख सकते हैं कि ओल्ड हाउसर भी लास्ट टाइम में रो रहे थे। अब आप सोचिए कि कोई व्यक्ति रो रहा हो और बोल रहा हो, दोनों क्रियाएं एक साथ कर रहा हो, तो कैसा सुनने में आएगा? वही है क्राइंग। His voice trembled with emotion. अब ऐसा रोए, trembled with, he was emotional, भाई इमोशनल हो गए, भावुक हो गए थे, राष्ट्र को लेकर के, भाषा को लेकर के, टीचर को लेकर के, अपनी बात को लेकर के। He became emotional, and it was the last time for him to learn some French lessons. तो उनकी वो रो रहे थे तो ट्रेम्बल कर रहे, कांप रहे थे, उनकी आवाज कांप रही थी, जब बोल रहे थे तो कांप रही थी, रो भी रहे थे और कांप भी रहा था, आवाज कांप रही था, ट्रेम्बल कर रहा था, सेकिंग। तो ऐसे में एंड इट वाज सो फनी टू हियर हिम दैट ही वाज, वी ऑल वांटेड टू लाफ एंड क्राई। उनको सुन करके हम लोगों को भी हंसी आ रही थी, रुलाई भी आ रही थी, मेरे बुढ़ा आदमी कैसा कर रहा है। तो बस इतना ही हंसी है, इससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं है। Now, how well I remember it, that last lesson. Yes, very well, very nicely. I remember the day of last lesson. Now, all at once, the church clock struck 12. It was 12 o'clock all at once. Then the Angelus, that is Catholic division's prayer, the prayer of Catholic Church. Catholic division में Protestants and Catholic होते हैं, तो ये Catholic है। Starts at the same moment, in the same time, the trumpets of the Persian returning from day. Trumpet, that is a musical instrument used especially in the military section. जो तुरही और बैंड बाजे के साथ होता है, वो मिलिट्री वाले बिगुल जिसको कहते थे। महाभारत का भी एपिसोड देखा होगा, तो उसमें तो शंख ध्वन होता है, वो भी ट्रम्पेट है, वो उस समय का ट्रम्पेट है। और ये पर्शियन सोल्जर या प्रूसियन सोल्जर जो भी ट्रम्पेट है, तो वो तुरही है, सिंहा, जो भी है बाजा इंस्ट्रूमेंट कि मैंने मार्चिंग करने का मिलिट्री का वो सेंस आता है. तो trumpets of the Prussian returning from drill. They were returning from the drill. At the time of the arrival of little French to the school, he saw that the Persian soldiers were drilling somewhere else. But at this moment, they have stopped their drilling and they are returning to their camp. जहाँ भी इनका कैंप हो वहाँ वापस आ रहे हैं. Sounded under our windows, and it was the way, it was the passage, and sounding under our window, they were marching. हमारे खिड़की के पास से गुजर रहे थे और आवाज आ रही थी उनके जाने की, वो निकल रहे थे. M. Hamel stood up. M. Hamel stood up, very pale, looking sad in his chair. He was looking very sad in his chair. He stood up. I never saw him look so tall. I never saw him look so tall. He was very tall. Actually, he was not very large. Tall means serious. He was looking very serious and blue. He was looking very sad. Such sadness I have never counted about him. वो इतना दुखी दिखे कि इतना दुखी मैंने उनको कभी नहीं देखा था, कभी नोटिस नहीं किया था कि वो कितने दुखी दिखे थे. ठीक है, वो कितने दुखी दिखे थे मैंने इसका नोटिस नहीं किया था. अच्छा. माई फ्रेंड्स सेड ही, उन्होंने कहा मेरे दोस्त, मेरे मित्र, I like he wants to speak something, but because of much emotional, because of being much sensational, he could speak no word. Something choked him. Because of something, his voice was stopped or choked. कुछ ऐसी तो चीज जरूर उनके दिमाग में आई या कुछ ऐसे उनके दिल में आया जिसके वजह से उनकी आवाज रुध गई, चोक हो गई, कुछ कह नहीं पा. मतलब हो सकता है वो इमोशनल है, रोने की स्थिति में आ रहा है, इसलिए जो आदमी इमोशनल बहुत ज्यादा होता है, रोने वाला होता है, बोल नहीं पाता है. तो वैसे ही इसी वजह से शायद इनकी आवाज रुक गई. He could not go on. He could not go on means he could not speak. देखिए यहाँ टाल का मतलब सीरियस हो गया, अब गो ऑन का मतलब स्पीक. जैसे ये कन्वर्सेशनल लैंग्वेज है. कन्वर्सेशन में अब मान लीजिए कि किसी ने आपसे किसी क्वेश्चन का आंसर पूछा और आप बताना शुरू कर दिए. अब बीच में भूल रहे हैं तो टीचर कहेगा गो ऑन कैरी ऑन, गो ऑन और कैरी ऑन, यानी कि अब कैरी ऑन कोई चीज ढूंढना थोड़ी है. अब गो ऑन मतलब क्लास छोड़ के बाहर नहीं जाना है, क्लास में ही रहना है. गो ऑन का मतलब है कि प्लीज कंटिन्यू व्हाट इज यू आर डूइंग. कैरी ऑन, प्लीज कंटिन्यू दैट यू आर डूइंग. तो उसे जारी रखो, गो ऑन का मतलब. तो he could not go on, he could not speak anything. Then he turned to the blackboard. Here is a whiteboard, but when it is painted with black, then it would be called as blackboard, green board, yellow board. There are different kinds of color and therefore different boards are. So he turned to the blackboard, took a piece of chalk strip, took a piece of chalk strip he has taken, that you are writing with this marker. Now if it is concrete board, then the teacher would apply chalk strip. Otherwise it is made of wood, that is sun mica, therefore. Look at this chapter. And bearing on with all his might, as good as possible, he applied his total force. He applied his total force. पूरा अपना लगा दिए उसको पकड़ने में, यानी कि वो चाक भी नहीं पकड़ पा रहे थे, इतना वो उन्हें दुख था, तकलीफ था, कांप रहे थे, दुखी थे. Bearing on with all his might, he wrote as large as he could. क्या लिखे? Vive la France. Vive la France. ये फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज. Vive la France means live long France. इसका मतलब है live long France. Then he stopped writing and bent his head against the wall. Against the wall, as I am here standing against the whiteboard. जब कोई व्यक्ति, जब आप सीढ़ी लगाते हैं दीवार पर, सीढ़ी लगाते हैं पेड़ पर, तो कहते हैं adjusted the stairs against the wall. Adjusted, kept the ladder against the branch of tree. वो against preposition वहाँ यूज किया जाता है. तो against माने इसके तरफ झुके, against the wall, and without a word, without saying anything, without word, he made a gesture that he has shown a symptom. He has shown a symptom, gesture. जैसे अगर किसी से कुछ पूछना है तो ये जेस्चर हो गया. ठीक है, भाव भंगिमा चेहरे पर किस तरह का रूप आ रहा है, वो जेस्चर कहलाता है. सिम्टम टू अस विथ हिज हैंड, चेहरे से नहीं बल्कि हाथ से. द जेस्चर टू अस हाथ. क्या क्या जेस्चर दिए, क्या सिम्टम दिए, क्या शो किए? स्कूल इज डिसमिस्ड, फिनिश्ड, स्टॉप्ड, डिसमिस्ड, कैंसिल. यू मे गो नाउ. And this is the last lesson that I have finished. As far as understanding the text is concerned, the people in this story suddenly realize how precious their language is to them. What shows you this? Why does this happen? Yes, just as I have got command over the Britishers, now only because of our own language that we could got govern and command over. We learned their language too, and we should understand. Now also we cooperated Muslims after learning their own language, and we got a mixed culture here. So language is very important, as according to M. Hamel. Also he has said that if you are hold fast over your language, it seems that you have a key of prison in your hands, because the language can make you strong enough. French things, will they make them sing in German, even the pigeons? What could this mean? As I told you that it is an emotional feeling of little French that listening the queen of the pigeons, he thought that actually will the German force even to the nature and to us to speak German language and have they got command over his spirit and heart? It's an impossible. This idea came in the mind of little French. Now, talking about the text, when the people are enslaved as long as they hold fast to their language, it is as if they had the key to their prison. Yes, of course, during that time it was very special. Why? Because annexation was very common, war was very common, and the capturing or some nations were increasing their territory. During that time it was very much important. And also it is important too. Why? Because the Indian government is very much anxious regarding the development of trade and production, and does not like to depend on over China or over the Far East. Therefore, the movement has been started. Now in the same way. So when can you think about the example? Yes, Punjabi, Bangalore, Tamil Nadu, and so on. Vital French, everything. That is nothing here. Now you are supposed to practice over the chapter, and now you are supposed to write the summary as well as the answer questions that is given in exercise. In my next class, I would like to continue the poem. At least one poem should be completed. My mother at 66 will be taught in the next video. Up to that, thank you very much and have a good day. A very nice day to all of you. Thank you guys.